Hey gang, this is Randy with Randog 1951. I just put in the last bolt for this solar rack. So we're gonna do a quick walk around. Got the solar panels up there. See, I have the sun behind me, so anyway, thought I'd put the eye bolts up there. They'll come in handy for tarping, and I think I mentioned that before. And it's rained a few times since I started this. Where I reinstalled the roof racks, they're watertight, knock wood. So far so good. So anyway, there they are, all four of them. I have a space in the back. I'm not sure what I'll put up there, but probably some expanded metal and use it for some storage. I might have to weld a couple brackets, make it a little taller back here. That's okay. It's about 18 inches, 18 by a little over 4 feet. So she's solid as a rock, I'll guarantee you that. I don't want to push my luck, but probably could do some pull-ups if I wasn't so weak these days. So, anyhow, there you go. Got a few things done. This was a booger to rebuild that. Repaired the holes in the roof where the branch fell through it a couple years back. And I have my AGM batteries already. I revived from my buddy's wheelchair. And I have a 400 watt controller, which I doubt if that's going to take care of this. It might, but it's temporary. I want to get one of those MPPT controllers and a 2000 pure sine wave, get that rather than the one that I think it's called a PWM or PMW controller that came with the kit. This is a new Power kit from China. So, anyway, that's off my mind. And tomorrow it'll be the swivel for the passenger chair, and then I can start doing the flooring. And I'm repurposing some old bedroom furniture I've had for years. So that's it for now. Thanks for checking in. Thumbs up, please, and subscribe if you haven't already. Tell a friend, and the adventure continues. Thanks again. Be safe.